This instant pot chicken pad thai noodles is so delicious and I love it always. Yum! This is so good. Hi guys! Hope you're doing good. Whenever I go to Thai restaurant, I always order for pad thai noodles because I love it so much. Today I'm going to show how to make pad thai noodles in the instant pot. Let's see how to make it. Let me talk about the noodles first. This box has 4 packets of brown rice noodles totally weighing 8 ounces, but today I'm using only half of it, which serves 2 people. If you want to use the whole box, just double all the ingredients I'm mentioning in the recipe. Instead of brown rice, you can use white rice noodles too. Everything will be same for white rice noodles too. Take an instant pot, select the saute mode, set the temperature to medium and click on start. When the instant pot is hot enough, add 1 tablespoon peanut oil. You can use any oil. When the oil is hot enough, add chicken. Today I am adding 10 ounces of boneless chicken thighs. If you want to add chicken breast, you can add 2 boneless chicken breast cubed. Add salt as required for the chicken. Add little bit of pepper too. Fry the chicken in oil until the chicken gets roasted. Now take it back from the instant pot. In the leftover oil, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Fry the garlic for few seconds and then add half a cup of chopped onion. Saute the onion very well. As soon as the onion gets fried, cancel the saute mode. And then add 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sriracha, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Mix the sauce thoroughly and deglaze the bottom of the instant pot by scraping the remaining chicken that is sticking to the pot. It comes off very easily. And then add 3/4 cup of water. If you want your pad thai to be spicy, add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. You can adjust this according to your taste. Mix everything thoroughly. Today I am using 4 ounces of brown rice noodles. You can use white rice noodles too. Just place the rice noodles on top of the sauce. Add the roasted chicken. Now add the carrots on top of the rice noodle. And add bell pepper on top of rice noodles. Add salt for veggies and noodle. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or honey or maple syrup. Close the Instant Pot. Select the pressure cook mode. Set the timer to 3 minutes and click on Start. When it's done, immediately release the pressure and open the Instant Pot. Can you see? It's cooked to perfection. Now garnish it with spring onion, roasted chopped peanuts and chili flakes. Mix everything. That's it. Our hot and spicy pad thai chicken noodles is ready to serve. And finally, for the crunchiness, if you want, you can add bean sprouts too. Yum! This is so good. I hope you like this video. Try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more Instant Pot recipes. Bye guys!